This video shows how to replace the vertical and horizontal belt. Cut off the power supply, remove the front cover first and pull the sample assembly out. Loose the 3 screws on the vertical motor. Remove the 2 screws which used for fixing the belt. Take out the old belt. Install a new belt. Install 1 screw first. Don't screw it too tight. Put this metal piece under the screw and then tighten the screw. Install the other screw. Tighten the belt and the 3 screws. The next part is replacing the horizontal belt. First, remove the 2 screws which used for tighten the horizontal belt. Loose the 4 screws on the horizontal motor. Take out the old belt. Replace it with a new one. Tighten the belt and the 4 screws. Finally, install the metal piece.